Hello and welcome to our tutorial today. We want to learn something new on the domain and subdomain. Now, I want you to learn about creating a subdomain from the main domain. Before we learn, I'd just like you to subscribe to my channel, preferably. Once you're impressed with the videos, you can always subscribe so that when I have a new video, you'll always be notified. So feel free to comment about anything, and we shall appreciate your feedback. Now, let's begin right away. We are doing a video on how to create a subdomain. There are links that are that long, that may be difficult to cram. For example, you can be talking about a link like this, so 168.41. Such a link may not cram it. We have like Google Drive links, where we have, for example, such a link. These are types of links that you cannot just have them. You can't cram them. Now, such links, you can always create a subdomain. For example, if you have a domain, I'll use my example. The example of my domain is bestcar.co.ke. This is my domain, but you can always create subdomain from the main domain so that you can use it to link to have a link to other links, to other addresses. Now, for example, I'll show you here. Somebody may ask, where do I get a domain? A domain, you'll always get them from the hosting providers. You have very many providers. You have HostGator, international hosting provider. I have in Kenya, Kenya Web Expert, Host Pinnacle Kenya. For my case, I'll use the Host Pinnacle Kenya. This is my host provider, one of the best because of the uptime. Now I log into my client area, or client login. So under my client login, I have my details already. Once you log in, they'll open your account. Now I'm going to log into the control panel. Now, when you log into the control panel, it will show it is the back end of my website. Now, this one you will have it when you want to have a website. For example, to have a website, you need to have a domain, which is the name. Then you have the space, which is called hosting. Now, under that one, for example, for the main domain for this is bestcar.co.ke. But now you can come under the subdomains. Look for subdomains. Just a minute. We get this, the domains, then we have the subdomains. Now you'll come here and get the subdomains. Now I'll use this as an example. Now we say, for example, you want to create, you have a link like, for example, my Google Drive. Open the Google Drive. The subdomain drive. This example of a Google Drive link. What you're doing is a drive. Now, alternatively, you can say, let me open this mail, Outlook mail. Let me use it as an example. Now, this is the address, outlook.live.com.owa. Now, this is the link we're going to use. Now, I may not cram this, but I have my best cram. So what I'll do, I'll create my subdomain so that when I want to log in to this account, what I'll do, I will simply come and call mail, outlook.bestcar, because bestcar is the main domain.co.ke. Now this is the main sub. Now what you do here, just write the name Outlook. It will create automatically. Now the main domain is bestcar. Now the document root, which will be now the new address, is outlook.bestcar.co.ke. bestcar.co.ke. Now you create. After creating, it will be added on the list here. Down here, just go back. This in this control panel. Those who don't know the control panel, not the one in the computer, but this is a control panel that you use to as a backspace or storage for the website. Now we see you've created the subdomain outlook.bestcar.co.ke. Now what you do, you come and manage redirection. Now here is where now you put the address, specific address you like. Let me now sign in. Or just want the sign in space. You discover that under this sign in, maybe just sign in completely. Just a minute, my network may be slow, but we shall get there, of course, sooner. Now, this is it, the mailbox. You simply copy and paste it in the subdomain and save. Now, what happens? Just go back. What will happen? Anytime you want to log into mail Bestcar, you simply say Outlook dot bestcar.co.ke. If you copy this one, it will redirect to this Outlook automatically. It's the best way and the simplest way to open such address that you may not cram. Now, I'll show you another address that is simple. Google Drive, for example. We have links that are difficult to get to read. Now, let me show you like this link here. Now, so what you do, you simply, let me see, I share data. Now, we have something like this one. You simply copy this address. Just a minute. I want a very long link that may not be easy to read. Money Manager. This is my folder. Now, I need this link. You can discover that this link is very complicated. You simply come. I'm editing this one. I just want to use the same address. I'll paste here the address. Sorry, let me just copy it. Copy. Now this is the link, then you save. Now anytime I come and open outlook.bestcar.co.ke, what happens? I'll open, it will redirect me to the link. Sorry, something that I'll open. Let me just edit something here. Here's the link. Now, when I do outlook.bestcar.whatever, when I open it, it's not directing it. Maybe it not saved. Bestcar. Okay. Alright, let me use another browser. Maybe the cache isn't right. Yes, the Firefox here. Now we want to do outlook.bestcar.co.ke. It is the subdomain we've created. So what you do, this one, it has opened the same. It's only that I registered a different email. That's why it can't open. So it will ask me for access, which now is working definitely as we wanted. Now, automatically our point has worked out. It's only that now I had not logged in. That is outlook.bestcar.co.ke. You're logging in. This one has a cache problem. It has saved the data differently. Now that is the easiest way how you can do it. Let me do another example. Now I want to log into this is the client area. I can't cram this one. So I want to create a link that will redirect to this hosting area. Alternatively, let me go to home. I want to log in to host Pinnacle. Go to client area. So I want to know that I don't know this link, or rather I can't remember it. I just come and say client, then it will create automatically. So it just be client.bestcard.co.ke, then create it. What happens is it will create automatically. So I just come and copy this link and paste it. Just come to the client, manage redirection, then paste and save. So anytime you come to any browser, for example this one, and log in client.bestcar.co.ke, it will redirect you. Sorry, I just said best cannot best. This one is directly no, you have seen it. It will direct you to host Pinnacle client area. Automatically you log in because my data was saved. So this is what I mean by creating a subdomain and redirecting the address to it. Now this is how simple it is. Anytime you have a domain, like for example using the figures like I shown you, a domain like this 192 whatever, it's not a must that you cram these numbers, addresses like this one for Google Drive and so other addresses that may be difficult. You simply need to create and redirect them. This is how easy it is. That is my tutorial for today. If you're impressed with it, you can always do a simple thing. Just subscribe down there, or have just press the button so that anytime we have any new video, you have any new product that we give out, to rather a learning session, you will always be notified. Otherwise, thank you and enjoy your time.